come. 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 Wood or the wood? Would you like to come to tea?
Good boy.
Love, 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 love. Two. I will open the island.
Okay.
I will open the island. Here's this is a special eye. And here's the monster. Here's ICRWY. This is an extra eye and island. And here it is. No, here it is. Yeah. I will open the island. Yay, island!
So check with the spelling cloud mat. There's the I cloud, or the spelling cloud keyring that you can carry everywhere with you. There's the I cloud, the sound I and all the spelling choices. Carry it around on a lanyard, or have a look at your spelling cloud wall. It's important that we look at all the choices, not just the ones we look at in the explicit phonics instruction. So we can have a look in the I spelling cloud. There's the little mouth, which means that your mouth is going to change throughout the sound, and the sound will change to I. And here is the representation for I that we've just looked at. I, and island. And we'd also use the speech sound monster bank. So we'd have a look at for I. We can have a look at our clouds. There's the I monster and all the choices on the back. And we use that for the board. So there's the sound. It could be that one. It could be that one. All sorts. All different sound picks, all different graphemes, and we use these ones on the board so that we're looking at the letters but we know they represent this particular sound. So my method means alongside their code level readers, at the point where they get to the end of the purple code level, this is when they start their controlled vocab, repetitive word texts. 3 pirates. There was a green pirate. Here's a green pirate. There was a blue pirate. Here's a blue pirate. There are their hats. There are their boots. There are their knives. There are their sacks. There's their gold, etc., etc. It means that even if we haven't looked at the mapping of words beforehand, they can work it out as long as they have the vocab to know that's likely to be the word island. They might say beach, but it's not because it's not a B. So go, okay, is it island? Okay, if it's island, because of the skills and concepts I've learnt through code mapping and monster mapping, I know I, and island. Where's the schwa? It's that one. And, which is the I, it's that one. And so they're working backwards to understand that.
Wood. Love. Two. Island.